All right, so stainless steel cookwares. They are known for being super durable towards corrosion, rust and all that if you take care of them properly. That's why restaurants use them a lot because they last a long, long time. However, stainless steel cookwares can still pit. And what does that mean? It's basically there's a hole in your pan. Now, when that happens, you're better off just buying a new pan and say bye-bye to that. Today, we're going to talk about how to avoid that from happening. Number one, don't put anything that has an extremely low pH level. Yeah, anything too salty, like soy sauce, or too concentrated with acid even on the pan itself can damage the oxide layer, which is the protective layer, and in the long run cause your pan to pit. Secondly, abrasive cleaning tools. I know steel wires are the easiest to sort of scrape off whatever dirt or leftover debris on your pan, but using steel wires can also cause micro scratches onto your cookware that essentially takes off the protective layer and in time can also cause your pans to pit. So if you've got stainings like these, don't scrub them with a steel brush or a steel wire. Soak them with citric acid, dilute it with water, get the pH level right, soak them, and then use a scouring pad, a gentle scouring pad to scrub it off. That's the best way to get stains off your pan. Thirdly is misuse, and these are just simple things that we take for granted in using our cookware. Basically, for instance, if we're boiling pasta, you've got water in, don't add your salt just yet, because what's going to happen, the salt is going to sink all the way to the bottom and going to have contact with the base of the pot or the pan. And that's going to slowly decay the oxide layer. What you should do is wait till the water is boiling, drop the salt in, stir immediately so it dissolves. And this works the same with any MSG or concentrated sauces or paste. Okay? Alright guys, so these are 3 tips I've shared with you on how to use your stainless steel cookware healthier so that it lasts you a long, long, long time. Now if you're interested in any of these beautiful cookwares, they're from Cookware. I repeat, Cookware. If you're interested in them, you can check them out on the belija.com website. The link's on the bio. Take care. Happy cooking.